This stylish cranberry electric range cooker from Rangemaster is perfect if you want an outstanding model with contemporary design and superb cooking features. It has an A energy rating and 3 cavities, including a separate grill and 2 ovens. The main multifunctional oven has a 69-litre capacity, whereas the second fan oven is taller and has a 66-litre capacity. So there's plenty of space if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 cooking zones on the induction hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. Rangemaster's intelligent induction technology is a safer, more energy-efficient way to cook. Special electromagnets inside the hob heat up when they sense an induction-friendly pan or griddle on top. Instead of heating the entire cooking zone, induction technology simply heats what's inside your pan. This makes it really fast, efficient, and because it only leaves a little bit of heat behind, it's safe too. The main multifunctional oven has more than 1 cooking function to give you greater flexibility in the kitchen. With a twist of the dial, you can easily select one of the functions. So, whether you choose base heat for baking or the browning function for crispy finishes, you'll always get perfect results. If you want a stylish model with contemporary design and superb features, this stylish cranberry electric range cooker from Rangemaster is the one for you.